In a bustling little garden lived a tiny black ant named Black Adam. He was small, but he had a big heart and an even bigger imagination. One sunny morning, Black Adam found a shiny, golden seed. "Oh, what a treasure!" he exclaimed. He picked it up, and it felt so heavy in his tiny arms. "Hello, Black Adam," said a friendly red ant named Red Rose. "What do you have there?" "I found a golden seed," Black Adam replied, showing it off proudly. "I'm taking it home." Red Rose gasped. "A golden seed? That's a rare find, indeed. Let me help you carry it." So, Red Rose joined Black Adam on his journey, and they made their way to Black Adam's home. Along the way, they met more ants who wanted to help. Soon, a small procession of ants followed, each eager to see the golden seed. When they reached Black Adam's home, there was a big crowd waiting. Black Adam's family and friends were amazed at the golden seed. They had never seen anything like it before. Black Adam felt proud, but he knew that the golden seed was not for him alone. "This golden seed is a treasure for all of us," he said. "We should share it with the other ants in the garden." So, Black Adam and his friends decided to hold a celebration. They shared the golden seed with everyone, and it was a day of joy and happiness. From that day on, Black Adam was not just known as a brave little ant, but also as a kind and generous one. And every time Black Adam looked at the golden seed, he remembered the day he found it and the day he shared it. He knew that true treasure was not just about possessing something rare, but about sharing it with others. From that day on, Black Adam lived his life with a big heart and an even bigger imagination, always ready to help and share, just like the golden seed he once found.